New to affiliate marketing? Try using these tips. Affiliate marketing is a well-kept secret of multinational corporations. For the everyday business owner, it can serve the same benefit for your outfit as it does for them. This video outlines a variety of tips and a bit of sound advice that can help you capitalize on affiliate marketing. If you are interested in affiliate marketing, the most basic thing that you can do is to start with choosing a topic that you know well. It's the easiest way for you to build a site. Also, it means that you can provide your own opinions easier on things, and you will enjoy it a lot better if it's something you're interested in. When writing copy for affiliate marketing advertising, be sure to clearly spell out the benefits of the product in your video. Don't expect your readers to do the legwork for themselves based on your recommendation. Tell them directly why they should buy the item, and they're more likely to do it. Savvy website owners select only the most profitable affiliate marketing partners. For an affiliate that pays webmasters on a pay-per-sale basis, a commission of 20 to 50% is not unreasonable to expect. Pay-per-sale affiliates that offer 10% or less commission are not worth a webmaster's time. Hold out for affiliates that recognize the value of their affiliate marketing partners. Find out the exact location of what is driving your readers to click on your affiliate links. Is it the links within your content or your sidebar? Did it come from a video you posted or a review of a product? When you discover what is driving the traffic, focus on that content. There are lots of sites, books, newsletters offering get-rich affiliate marketing ideas for a smaller investment. Do not believe in these products and don't waste your money buying them. They may give you a few good ideas, but you definitely won't become a millionaire using their strategies overnight. Affiliate marketing requires hard work, and it takes several months to start generating considerable income. Let your affiliates help. If you have an affiliate program, let your affiliates do the promotion work for you. Offer them an incentive and they will be happy to do it. Your affiliates should have good-sized networks in place, and when they publicize your videos, your website traffic will jump. Taking the unique approach that affiliate marketing offers your business can be one of the best business decisions you will make. Forging long-lasting and secure relationships with partner businesses has the potential to greatly widen your consumer access. It is an intelligent and noteworthy direction toward marketing and profit procurement. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yahoo ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to Perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.